Okay, so yesterday was ridiculously easy, multiplying one digit number by either a 10 or 100. But today is more of a focus on dealing with a multiple of 10 or 100, meaning 50, 500, 70, 700, all of that. So it's the same process, though, of understanding how to do it. So let's say if I have 7 times 70. First, all I do, what is 7 times 7? We should know this. 49. 7 times 7 is 49. And then I just tack on that 0 on the end. That's it. Same thing. Next one. 2 times 700. What's 2 times 7? 14. How many zeros do I see? 2. So I'm going to be adding 2 zeros. There's one. There's the other. What about 3 times 20? All I really need to think about is what's 3 times 2? 6. How many zeros do I see? 1. So I'm adding on that 1 0. What about 9 times 800? All I'm focused on right now is what's 9 times 8? 72. And how many zeros do I see? 2 zeros. So add them on. Okay, next one. 7 times 50. All it's asking me to do here is really 7 times 5, which is 35. And then I'm adding on my 0. 8 times 500. All I'm doing is 8 times 5, which is 40. And then, not to let myself get confused by the fact that there is already a 0 there, because that's going to be what gets you in trouble. That's why I make my arrows like this to help me out. Put on 1 0, put on the other 0. Whenever I have a number that ends in a 0, like 40 or 30 or 20, I run the risk of messing up because I see, well, I need to add on 2 zeros. Well, here's 1 0. Let me add on the other one. Now I've got my 2 zeros. But what really then happens is you're saying that 8 times 5 is 4. So that's why I'm doing it in these different colors and why I use these arrows. Now, are you going to always have to use these arrows? No. This is what your brain should be doing on its own when you're doing this. Can you still use the arrows now? Absolutely. I show you every possible way to solve a math problem. And you choose which way works for you best. And that's it. That's all you have to worry about. So, all I have to do is ask myself, how many zeros do I see? And then I tack them on the end. So really, you're just doing simple single-digit multiplication. 7 times 5, 8 times 5, 9 times 8, 3 times 2. You guys know this.
Yeah.
So really, I think you're going to have a good time doing this one.
Yeah. A lot.